Hey there, just wanted to show you a couple more jigs. These are for dog tags. So there's one for $50 and one for large dollars, so Eisenhower dollars. This is the proportion these turn out in. So this, obviously the $50, and then same proportion larger for the Ikes. So the way you do those, so if you take the Eisenhower, you drop that on there, just like the guitar picks. There's a pocket on the back that fits into and rests, and then you rotate that around to find, vertical. So on the design of that star in the center, grab the marker here. So draw your center line, and then you just drop that into the next pocket over that's in the center, and then rotate that around so you can see that center line go through the top there. And then you can mark where the sides are going to be, and you can mark where the punch would go. And it's ready for cutting. So just to show you how that is, that's how those look. And then the same thing for the $50. You drop that over and just use the design to find your center. Draw a center line, place it in that pocket on the back, and then rotate it around so you can see that center line through the opening there. And again, that's ready for cutting and cleaning up. So anyway, I will get these in the shop here soon. If anyone has any questions at all, please let me know. Thanks.